Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free. Hi guys, let's decorate this beautiful bottle. Cover this beautiful bottle with a base coat of any white color. I've used acrylic white color and use a sponge to cover all it up. This is a base coat. For the top coat, you can use any color. I've used this bright a chalk paint color from Itsy Bitsy. You can use any color that you want. Make sure that you're applying 2 coats for a very bright and solid color. I'm using here fabric glue, and I'm using this round mirror to decorate the bottom part of the bottle and the top part of the bottle. You can use anything, but as my decoration is whole based on the mirror decoration, I'm using mirrors. You can use any decoration, for example laces or any other thing. As you can see that I've attached all the mirrors using fabric glue. Fabric glue works best with this, and you can use it to attach anything. You don't need to use a glue gun or any other glue for this. Fabric glue works absolutely fine. As you can see that I've attached multiple small mirrors in different direction. I've used 3D liner of different colors. Here I'm showing you how I did the white color, but I've used different colors also to give it a very nice multicolor look. I've made a very simple design, as you can see, a dotted design. And similarly I've added multiple colors in this bottle. It looks very beautiful, very colorful, and you can gift it or decorate it your home with it. So guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Take care. Bye.